Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So now let's try to start the server, and here also let's try to clear it out. So now what I would be trying to do is, so we have the auth controller. Let's go to the auth controller. So this is our sign up, and we have the auth service, and now this is our service. So what we need to do here, so first try to set up the auth service. So in this auth service, so I will be having a async, okay, sign up. So I will be having a method sign up, and this one receives request body which is of type any. So we'll try to make this one, we'll try to convert that one any also. Now here you'll be having a constant name comma email comma password is equal to request body. Okay, so now this one is done. So now here what I want to do is constant user is equal to await prisma dot user dot create, and here I would be having something like name comma email comma password, and the role by default, if he by default so they will not provide it, right? So I will be default doing it as a candidate. Okay, role is candidate, so you'll be able to get this candidate also in this one. So right now it is scanning, so now you are able to get this one. So name, why this one is coming error, name does not exist in type select. Okay, here I need to make it as a data, then I need to pass this one all in the data. I need to pass this. Okay, here now you will be able to get the role as candidate. See, so fine. So now I have created. So what I need to do it is the password which I am trying to enter, it's a plain password. So if I try to check our servers, so let's move on to here in the PostgreSQL and in the HireDB. If you try to get the schema public, so we can have different schemas. We'll try to see view data all rows. If you try to see here, the password which I am trying to save, the password is a plain password. Okay, let me try to what I will try to do it is, let me try to truncate all the data. Okay, truncate and then restart the identity. So fine, so we have truncated. So what I would be trying to do it is, so now here I will be using so we will be hashing the password. For that one I will be using the bcrypt. Okay, it's an npm package. So here you will be able to see. So for this one what we need to do, so we need to install the bcrypt. So how we need to install, so we need to install npm install bcrypt. So now here npm install bcrypt. So fine. So is there any for TypeScript, is there any? Okay, let's try to search it again. TypeScript, why it is not coming? I don't know. So okay, fine. Oh, now it came. TypeScript, so we don't have anything. Okay, fine. Let's go into our code. So let's try to install npm install bcrypt. Okay, so I will be installing the bcrypt. So in order to make the hash the password, so now for in the TypeScript, if you install the bcrypt, we need to also install the type definition for this one. So that is also important. So npm i-d @types/bcrypt. Okay, so this one also got installed. So let's try to see how we can use this bcrypt. If you go to the top, so we have installed the compatibility note and all the dependencies. Okay, fine. So now here we'll be using bcrypt, and salt rounds is 10. So if you use the more salt rounds, so then that much secure the password will be. So here you'll be able to see bcrypt.hash, and it's a callback function. So that means it returns a promise. So bcrypt for compare to check the password, so we can check it to, okay, with the promises. Yeah, here. So here bcrypt.hash, so we need to pass the salt rounds will be always 10. So let's try to check it. And for this one, what we can do, let's go to our code here. So we have installed it. So what I want to do it is, so I need to get the hash password. So constant hash password is equal to bcrypt. So we need to use the bcrypt. Maybe it will come or not, I don't know. So okay, fine. Import bcrypt from bcrypt. So we need to get the bcrypt. Yeah, bcrypt dot. So we need to need the hash. So this one is a promise, so we need to await for this one. And here bcrypt hash of, we got the password and the salt rounds will be 10. Okay, that's it. So now we got the hash password. So this hash password, so you will be providing it here. So that hash password you will be providing it here. Oh, why is it not coming? Hash password. So it is not telling. So let's try to write it. Yeah, fine. So now we have got the hash password. So now, so what I want to do, so here I need to return the user. Okay, let's try to return the user. Now here let's go to the auth controller, and here what I would be trying to do it is constant user is equal to await auth service dot sign up, and we need to send the request dot body. And here what I need to do, response dot json of, so status code dot created, so it is created, and dot json. So here you will be showing the message user sign up successful. Okay, so you will be showing the message user sign up successful, and the data we need to send it is the user. Okay, so now we are sending it. So now here, instead of sending the user, so we are dealing with the APIs, right? So now if you, instead of dealing with the user, it is better if you send it with an access token, right? So we need to maintain the authentication, right? We need to send the access token. For this one we will be using the JWT. So for that one, what we need to do it is, so let's go here and install the JSON web token. So JSON web token, so this is the npm package which you will be having, JSON web token. Okay, and if you try to open this JSON web token, here you will be able to see the migration and all those things. Okay, let's go here, and for this one let's try to install it. Before that, so what we will try to do it is, so we got this one all, let's try to see whether we can able to see the output or not. So sign up and all those things post, if I try to click on this one, automatically it should be created. So here we will try to see it is telling us 201. Okay, where I'm trying to send the status. Okay, JSON, instead of that one I need to send the status, and let's try to see it again for the last time. So here I'll be changing the email ID, and here I will try to do it, and here let's try to do this one again. Yeah, now the user has been created, and the password also we are able to get this one, hash password, so which should not be sent, but we'll try to see it. So now instead of sending the user details authentication, so we need to log in, the user, and we need to send the access token, so that access token will be shared between the browser and the API. So in the next video what we will try to do it is, we will try to generate the access token using the JSON web token, that is JWT, and we will try to implement that concept. So now this one is completed. So I will be providing this GitHub repository URL in the description below. For more details you can watch, you can have the reference for that code. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.